Hey, content creator, entrepreneur, and business owner. I believe you already know the power of social media. Like YouTuber, influencer, business make thousands, even millions dollars out of it. If you already have the presence on social media and you wanted to reach a larger audience in a short time and generate revenue, here is a shortcut. You can actually make more money on social media by leveraging Chinese social media platform. Yes, there is no difference between growing your brand to make money on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and doing the same on Chinese social media. In some way, it might be even easier and profitable. Today, I'm here to share the Chinese social media hack that could increase your online presence and revenue, which might be your biggest opportunity to grow in 2023. Please keep watching till the end and tell me what you think. First, what are the social media platforms in China? As you might know, we cannot access to the international social media platform like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok here in China. Instead, China has developed its own social media ecosystem, which might operate similar to the international ones, such as Bilibili, Xiaohongshu, Douyin, Weibo, Zhihu. Anyway, you can refer to my other video of the detailed introduction of each platform. But today, I want to tell you it's a gap, but also an opportunity. Simply look at this number. China has over 1.4 billion people, and there are over 1 billion users active on social media platform. To give you some perspective, that is 7 times of Russian population and 12 times of Germany population. Trust me, you don't want to ignore this huge market space. For content creators and brand who is on the social media like YouTube and Instagram, or you have the blog post on your website, it's so easy to just copy paste your content to the Chinese social media. From there, you open a gate to 1 billion Chinese audience. For anyone out there who doesn't have the existing content or at least the ability to creating the content, also starting from the scratch on the Chinese social media will be as difficult as growing a new account on the YouTube. That's another different case. I'll talk in the future, not today. Make sure to follow me to keep updated. I understand that many of you might still thinking the Chinese social medias are out of reach because you're unfamiliar with this platform and most likely you don't speak Chinese. But let me tell you, it's much more achievable than you think. I'll share some examples of both individual content creators and business successfully leverage Chinese social media. Pamela, the fitness influencer known for her workout content. She has over 9 million followers on both YouTube and Instagram. After copying and pasting content to the Chinese YouTube called Bilibili, she generated 11 million followers there. Other than this, she has massive 16 million followers on Chinese TikTok Douyin. Another content creator, Coach Shane, is an English tutor. He attracted around 350,000 followers in 2 months by just copying pasting content to the Chinese Instagram Xiaohongshu. There are so many examples of the content creator who attract more followers on Chinese social media in a short time compared to their international social media platform. Not only the example above like English teacher and fitness coach, but also the photographer, musician, traveler, gamer, and yoga teacher. Other than the individual content creator, let's talk about the brand. I'll give you an example of these 2 international brands as they've reached out to me and worked together for the KOL marketing because I am the KOL myself on Chinese social media. And I believe they gained great success with KOL campaign in China. First one is Ashley Green. It's a wellness brand that offers nutritional supplements. Their product hashtag generate nearly 16 million impressions on Xiaohongshu. Second one is Cambly. It's an online platform for language practice. Not only having 65 followers on Xiaohongshu, the brand reached 16 million impressions by a single hashtag as well. Others like French fashion brand Cézanne, skincare brand The Ordinary, and financial technology company Wise. So if you're still watching, you know there are so many people and brands already take the actions. And the opportunity for you only comes when you respond. Next, I'll teach you how to kick off. It's really easy. First, you have to choose the right platform to start. Some Chinese social media platforms are similar to the international ones, like YouTube versus Bilibili, Instagram versus Xiaohongshu, and TikTok versus Douyin. Check out my first video for the platform introduction. If you still don't know how to choose, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll offer you a tailored suggestion. Second, create a profile on the platform and starting copy-paste your existing content. If you're concerned about the language barrier, there are 3 facts. For universal understandable content like painting, music, photograph, direct copying works. If you have educational videos, simply add the Chinese subtitle. As in China, we're getting used to watch the video with subtitle. It doesn't matter which language you are speaking. Last, for the blog post, you need to localize it in Chinese. Third step, grow your account by constantly updating the content. Consistency is the key to everything, so make up your mind and plan how much effort you want to invest in the Chinese social media. By the way, with a copy-paste strategy, it costs you nearly nothing. Start today and unlock the potential of Chinese market. Welcome to subscribe to my YouTube channel and Instagram for more social media marketing tips. Bye, I'm Zoe. See you next time.